Hello everyone, I am Gautam. This is my team Gokul Raj, Gokula Krishnan, and Gokul. We have done a project called Health Band. The Health Band is an innovative solution for detecting and locating a person whose health is in a grave danger. So, Health Band is nothing but a phone synced mobile health monitoring bracelet capable of reading humans' vital signal. Includes the pulse rate as well as the body temperature. So now my friend Gokul Raj will explain to you about heartbeat sensor, temperature sensor.
Hello, this is Gokul Raj. I have done a heartbeat sensor that is connected to an Arduino and a temperature sensor. So this heartbeat sensor has an inbuilt programmed heartbeat rate that is predefinedly given program. So I'll just open it. We have a hex file here. So this file defaultly gives us the heartbeat that are generated as same as a human. So we dump this file. This heartbeat can be varied accordingly. We get various kinds of heartbeat from net. So that is about heartbeat. That it gives the analog input to A naught, and we have a coding in Arduino, and this is a LM35 temperature sensor. There is no external external amount hex file dumped here. It is an analog device. So the virtual analog input is given to A file. We have a code dumped here in an Arduino Uno. So see here the program file sketch set 10 ABC. We have a program file here, and we dump and run the Arduino file. So my friend now explain about GSM module and GPS module.
Friends, this is Gokula Krishnan. I'm going to explain about GPS module. GPS module gives us the location in terms of longitude and latitude, and it transmits the information to the pin 0 of Arduino Uno. GPS module requires an hex file which specifies its operations. It is considered as a library for this module. Now I am going to explain about GSM module. GSM module is used to transmit the latitude and longitude obtained by GPS module through a SIM card to the specified mobile number. The GSM module requires a hex file which contains mobile phone details and transmission details, which are required for transmitting these location details to the required mobile number. We can see a LCD panel. It is a 20 cross 4. 20 cross 4 means 20 columns and 4 lines. This is connected to Arduino Uno for displaying the details about the informations gathered from temperature sensor and heartbeat sensor. Now my friend Gokul will explain the working of this project.
I am Gokul and I am here to explain about the working of this project. In this project, we have a temperature sensor which is used to detect the temperature of the human we are going to monitor, and it sends the analog output of the sensor to the AFI pin of the Arduino, and the heartbeat sensor which has an inbuilt hex file which generates the heartbeat similar to human, and we are getting that analog output from the heartbeat sensor to A0 pin of Arduino, and the output of this heartbeat sensor and temperature sensor are being displayed for the person we are monitoring through a LCD panel. And for the purpose of testing, we have kept two terminal modes through which we can check the output for during the simulations. The GPS module, it generates the latitude and the longitude based on the information we give in the hex file. Using it, we get the location and we send the location using the GSM module, which has a SIM card, and the GSM module is programmed in such a way that the output will be generated to the registered number. Now let's see the simulation of this project. It has started working. Initially the heartbeat rate is 0, so we get the latitude and the longitude, and we send that to the registered number starting with 91, and here we get the temperature in Celsius and the heartbeat rate, and we also see it in the LCD display. Now let me change the heartbeat rate. Now as we see, the heartbeat rate is 50 and the temperature is 56 degrees Celsius, and we do not get any latitude longitude informations, and so no message is sent to the registered mobile number, and the temperature is normal and the heartbeat rate is also normal. Now let me change the temperature. So here the temperature increases to 52 degrees Celsius, so it denotes that he has a fever, the patient has a fever. Now let me decrease the temperature. So here we go, 34.
Thank